Hello everyone. Today we will do exercise 1.4 chapter 1 real number. Question number 1. Without actually performing the long division, you have to know do the long division and state whether the following rational number will be have a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Because when you will do long division it takes time. And we will do factorization and we will check it is a terminating or non-terminating and repeating. First of all, we have to consider P and Q should be co-prime. They should not have common factor and Q should not be 0. And one thing important, Q should be in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n or either both 2 and 5. Then it is a terminating. If in the factor 2 and 5 any other number is coming like 3 and 7, then it is a non-terminating and non-repeating. First 3, 1, 2, 5. Our P is 13 and Q is 3125. We make the prime factor. When we check 5 and 2, 7 and 8 and 3, 11. It is not divisible by 3. We will divide by 5. 5, 6 are 30, then 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Again it is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, then again divide by 5, then again divide by 5. 5 is repeated 5 times. We can write 13 5 power 5, and you know that 13 and 3125 is co-prime. First condition, co-prime should be there. They are co-prime and our Q is in the form of 5 power 5. So we can say it is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Now 17 and 8 again they are co-prime number and we will factorize the denominator. 8, 2 4s are, then 2 2s are, 2 power 3. We can write 17 upon 2 power 3. Now our denominator is in the power of 2. It means it is a terminating decimal. So you can write terminating. Now we check for 64 and 455. Make the factors of 64 also and 455 also. First 64, 32, 16, then 8, then 4, and then 2 power 6. So we can write here 2 power 6. Now 455, 5 and 5 10, 10 and 4 14. It is not divisible by 3. It will be divisible by 5. 5 9s and 5 1s. Then it is divisible by 7, 13. Again divide by 13. Our Q will be in the form of 5, 7 and 13. Our Q is not in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n, so it is a non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating, repeating, either recurring. Non-terminating, recurring. Now next 29 and 343 both are co-prime number and we make the factor of 343. Seven power 3. Our Q is 7 power 3. Now it is neither in the form of 2 power and neither in the form of 5 power. It is a non-terminating recurring. non-terminating recurring. Next, 35 and 40, they are not co-prime number, and we make the factor and we cut the reduce into lowest term. 35 you can write 5 7 ja, and for 40 20 10 and then 5 2 power 3. First we write factor of 35, 5 multiply 7, and then we write 2 power 3 and 5. Cancel 5 with 5. Now we left with 7, 2 power 3. Our Q is in the form of 2 power, and so it is a terminating. Now 6 sum, you can check. Our Q is in power of 2 power and 5 power, means 2 power m and 5 power m. It is a terminating because already 2 and 5 power is given. Terminating. Now next sum is also in 2 power and 5 power, but you can make the factor of 129 because we need co-prime. 3 4s are 3 3s are. We can write 129 as 3 multiply 43 and 2 power 2, 5 power 7 and 7 power 5. 2 power is also there and 5 power is also there, but 7 is extra. Our Q should be in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n. So if 7 is extra, we can write it is a non-terminating. Non-terminating. Now 6, 2 multiply 3, and when you make the factor of 15, 3 multiply 5, 3 cancel with 3, 2 by 5. Your Q is in the form of 5, so it is a terminating. Now you make the prime factor of 35, 5 multiply 7 and make the factor of 50. 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. 1 5 will cancel with this 5. You will get 7 into 2 multiply 5. Our Q is now in coprime form and 2 and 5 power form. So it is a terminating. Terminating. Now 77, 11 multiply 7. And make the factor of 210. You will get 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. 7 and 7 will be cancelled. Your Q is in form of power of 2, means 2 power 1 and 5 power 1, but this 3 is also there. So it is a non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating repeating. So you should practice this type of questions, and you should consider P and Q should co-prime, and power of Q should be in form of 2 and in form of 5, or either 2 and 5 both. Then this type of number is terminating, and if you get any other 2 and 5, any other number, then it is a non-terminating and repeating. Hope you understood. Thank you.